Hi everyone, welcome to another video about my channel, and this is the new video here about difference between Grow Garden, the OG one, and the Grow Garden 2, which is the new one. So as you can see on my garden, this is my own garden I have. I can reveal my second main, but it's gonna be much better though. So I'm gonna check my of hold on. Wait, it didn't load. Anyway, so I can load. Oh, wait, whatever. Oh, there you go. So this is my first slot. Whoa, look at that! You can see there's a massive. Oh my lord, dude! There's a massive burning bot there. I guess yeah. Wait, oh, that's a lot. Jackals. But look at that Jackal. Look, so small. So as you can see, my own first garden. This is my main, as you can see. So the difference between the plants and the plants in Grow Garden and Grow Garden 2 is actually the same, but in terms of rarity has changes. So the first part is actually when I go to see the UI itself. So yeah, the UI in Grow Garden is exactly the same, but compared to the second one, which is the I guess the Grow Garden 2, um, I thought it's the Grow Garden 2 is like a super simple UI right now compared to this really OG. Exactly the same the time rate on the Euro Garden, which is a 5 minutes to wait for restock on those between the seeds, the crops, and so on. And then the Girl Garden has the same exact thing there. So as you can see, gonna buy those things. But in Girl Garden 2 has doesn't have yet because it's the new one. So this is my garden, and this is the layout there. In Grow Garden, they use square plotting, and the middle is the events area when they have some sort of events. This is the called the trading plaza, I think trading area, and this is the buying pets, buying gears, cosmetics, so on. In terms of admin abuse, I don't know if they are still active on the admin abuse for Jandel. I don't know. So this is my Grow Garden, the OG one, but there's a difference there. If you're buying some plots, they have some sites you can buy there. Okay, I'm gonna reveal my own Grow Garden 2. And there's the Grow Garden 2 right here. As you can see, if you look at the above of the cell UI, there's the code the time frame when it changed the weather. Compared to the Grow Garden, the OG one, it doesn't have though. It's only like a server event, like a weather servers, like a event changing the time, like the what is this called? The the time frame and weather. Compared to this, it has time limit there. And also they have the exact same format on Grow Garden OG, but in terms of size and plots or orientation, it uses this game the circular plot when all those players have the circular one, but the number of players inside the server it gives more though. So I guess we and on one server, I guess like more than six compared to Grow Garden Doji, it's only four. But the older version have six players to enter or to join. Now it's get four because of the like limitations in servers in their development. And right now it's easy to expand the plot compared to go around the plot. So it can be automatic increase the size of your plot, which is good. Sadly guys, hold on. It doesn't have like a plot safe it doesn't have plat saves. When you can reload, I mean, it can access the other save slots. It's like a main for grinding and so on. But so just the Grow Garden, the OG one is like it does have save slots compared to this game. GAG2 doesn't have though. But the pets, it's really nice because it doesn't have pet store, so it can buy outside this thing. I really like the circle one, but much better in OG. It gives vibes. But the additional one is the guilds. It's like a clan. When you create a clan, you can teamwork with them. It's just a teamwork. Cell exact same, seeds exact same, gears exact same, props exact same, like a fence, um, designs, what's on, and whatsoever, and also the seeds itself, exactly the same look. But in terms of rarity, it doesn't have called prismatics, transcendent. It additional called super, which is the rainbow, which is nice. And also, yeah, it has the store though. I can see the store. So exactly the same, such as exactly the same as the OG Grow Garden, which is very nice. And also the backpack is exactly the same. The pets, and also the growing list where when you put a seed in the plant, it gives the time how long it grows a seed into a plant. So which is the good one, but I really stick to the whatever. I really like Grow Garden too, but I will stick the version of Grow Garden the OG because it's gives vibe. It gives me vibe, and like it gives like a sense of very. It's like a feeling when you play like a old version of GEGs, like a admin abuse. It's very fun, but I don't know in GEG2. But I encountered Create Craft live stream. They have grow up. I mean the admin abuse, but which is nice. And that's my comparison between GG1 and GG2. And if you like of this video, make sure to subscribe my channel at Soccer Roblox Official and follow me on TikTok at Soccer Roblox Official. And that's it, guys. Bye, guys, and see you on my next video.